Alright, so for this video, I applied for a Discover It credit card, and I just got it today. So I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video. I have not opened it yet. But before we get into that, I do want to go over what my credit profile looked like before I applied for the card. So if you see up here, my credit score on Experian was a 712, and Discover pulled from my Experian credit profile, and our 3 credit bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. So anytime you apply for credit, they're gonna pull from one of those 3 credit bureaus, or they might try to pull from all 3. So my credit score on Experian was 712. I had 9 inquiries, and they were spread across a period of time. My average age of accounts was 1 year and 6 months. My credit utilization was 23%, and I had 5 accounts open. And this is the Corona edition. So during the coronavirus pandemic, I applied for this credit card and I was approved, right? So don't think that banks are not lending out money or approving credit during this time, because they still are. And I applied for this credit card around by 8:30 p.m. on a Saturday, and I was approved for $2,000. So I'm about to get into opening up the box, but I did want to give you what my background was looking like before I applied, so that way you can kind of compare your credit profile to mine, or whatever the case might be. That way you have some kind of data points. So that's it right there. Time to open up the box. So it comes in a cardboard box. Have your little information, everything right there. So let's get it. Alrighty. Box is off. So 1 second, I do want to cover up my personal information. So let me get to that first. Alright, so you can see that Discover with the little colors right there. Got that right there. Alright. Oh, real nice card. I got the blue. Yeah. So this open all up like that. Alrighty. Got you a little bit of blah 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 blah. Don't nobody read all that. Drop that. So you see right here, earn 5% cash back on rotating categories, unlimited cash back, and they're gonna match my cash back for the first year. So we got that right there. Uh-oh. Sit that on. Alright, let's see. Alright. Hi, see? I told you. Right here. Credit score, Experian 712. So that's what it was. Alright, and that's on Experian, so not on Credit Karma or any other credit monitoring thing. So boom, I told you. Alright, let's take the card off and look at it. This is how it looks. Discover It cashback. Yep, that's pretty much it. Got y'all your little information about interest rates, your card benefits, and everything. Let's look at it one more time. I got like a baby blue, because blue is my favorite color. So that's it for here. I was approved for $2,000. New card to the collection. So yeah, if you're interested in applying for this card, I may be able to get a refer a friend thing. So just hit me up, let me know. But if you have any questions about it, just DM me, message me, or whatever. I have that information available, so you can contact me and we can talk about where your credit profile need to be so you can get approved for cards. So have a good day.